Hey guys, it's Umbreon. No, it's Canada Umbreon. My bad. Um, I was SOSing for a shiny Cubone, which you can see right there. But I got it 6 counters. But I almost called it a shiny Carbink because they both start with C. So we're gonna catch it right now. Should I false? I'm gonna false swipe it and hope it doesn't call in anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and false swipe it. Please don't call anything in. Please, no friends, you piece of shit. No fucking no friends. No friends. Fuck you. Suck a dick. You. No friends. Come on. You have friends. You have fucking friends. Why? I am not going to fail this fucking Cubone. This Cubone can suck it. I'm not gonna fail it. I don't have Thunderwave on it either. Wait, do I have Spore? Wait, I have Spore. I'm so fucking stupid. I have Spore. I have... No, fuck you. Okay? The Parasect... Yeah, it has Spore. Alright, yeah, I have Spore. So let's get this, Cubone. Alright. Let's use Spore to put this fucker to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Stay asleep. I'm going to get you in a dusk ball. And you woke up. No. Why do you wake up? Why do you wake up? I didn't tell you to wake up, now did I? You bring in a fucking friend. Alright. Put you back to sleep. Thank you for staying asleep. Now, how about I use a Mega Drain on this stupid regular Cubone and knock you out? And keep, not knock out the shiny, but keep the shiny. Why'd you keep waking up? No friends, no fucking friends, you piece of shit. This was supposed to be for St. Patrick's Day. That's why I was up doing this video for St. Patrick's Day. But it doesn't want to cooperate. Stay fucking asleep. And use Mega Drain on your fucking friend here. Thank you for staying asleep for the about damn fucking time. Okay, let's use a dusk ball. Guys, by the way, I'm not nicknaming it because I don't have really good nicknames. If you do have a good nickname, then please let me know what you guys think. Let's go to summary. It's Adament nature too. I can use this for battles. Holy shit. I can use this for battles. Well, I'll be damned. Level 19 cube. I believe it's level 19. I'm not sure. Let's check. Level 19 Cubone with Adament this book is in with Adament fucking nature. Now that is what I call hype. I am excited for that. I'm excited for this nature. I'm excited. I can use it in battles. Yes. Yes. So excited for it. And lightning rod as well. Alright. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Smash the like button. Smash that like button. If you. Hang on. Oh, great. My fucking portable charger got unplugged. It's still charging. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Can you just charge? There you go. Sorry about it. Okay. So I guess that's my mom saying I should have gone to bed. I wanted to respond back to her. I had to pretty much, and I was fixing my portable charger, charging it back in. So yeah, like I was saying, smash the like button. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want more shiny videos. I'm gonna try to fix. I'm gonna try to fix my Pokemon Dark Rising, the first episode. I might just take off the intro, which is about like a good 2 minutes. I might shorten the back part. Other than that, yeah. So then, keep on shining, guys. Peace.